sorry we had to switch spots. Well, luckily I can stay next to my son Yoshi. Hello, your son. Yeah, I'm his mother, and Mario's his father, because I'm the one who found him. Oh, that's boring. I like being in his closet. It's kind of cozy. Yeah, I know. Yo, Fo, I can't play God. Let's do this because Puppy's gone. I really miss Puppy. Really good with him. We're crowded. And now just stuff. I don't want to leave this spot. When? Yo. I hate you guys. You know what? Losers! Oh, dang it. She left. Just. You're fired, Chef Alfredo. I'm just kidding. I'll come back. Okay. Don't want to. Can you cook for me? I can cook for you. Spaghetti. Stupid chef. You know what? I'll just go. Go check the mail. Check on me. Okay, a credit card. A credit card. Here. Okay. Dear Astro, here's a present for you. Your way early birthday. To Astro B. Anderson. From Sebastian Magical Messenger. That's kind of weird. Wait a second. A credit card? For Astro B. Anderson. Astro Boy Anderson. Okay. Astro B. Anderson. What's that story? Turn the light off. It feels like I'm being watched. Hey guys, I got a credit card. I got a credit card. Na boo boo. We already have credit cards. Oh. Yoshi doesn't have. I'm going to spend on something. I'm at Hawaii. Hey, puppy. Hello. Hello. So what are you doing? Wait, what are you doing here? I got a credit card. Well, get out of here. I'm not supposed to be shown. Besides, I'm going to return in 7 days, so get away. I want you to come back. I'm not coming back until my promise is real. I'm coming back in 7 days. I'm going to go get food. Okay. Hey, I want to go. Santa. It's a pretty long drive. Right. I know. Okay. Hey, Mickey. Look at my friend. Mickey. Okay. We want to buy something. I want to buy the Call of Duty for my son because, well, no, I want to buy a school for my son because he's never done homework and he needs to do it. He never did it. Mechanics possesses. It's the wisdom, and you need to go. I would like to buy the NES. I love it. Even the Nintendo 64 and SNES. Okay, actually that's $108 and $200. $108 for the NES, and $200 for the SNES, and $300 for the Nintendo 64. So that, and also buying the big school building would be $800. And wait, hold on, Astro, find yours. I want to have my own video game. Okay, that's $3.99. That's $40. So let me look on my calculator. What 180 plus 200 plus 300 plus 800 plus 40. So you owe me about 1,500. You owe me $1,520. What? If you buy that, then you're going to only have around. You're only going to have around $200 or $300 left. Come on, dang it! Need get cash. Okay, I'm going to check it. Check this. Okay, Spider-Man's going to check your credit card. No more dollars on this. Dun, dun, dun. Son, what, Dad? You're called you. And now I'm Carl. You did something bad by stealing something. Abusive.